Welcome. My name is Matt Cornish and I am Co-Programme Director for Digital Services for Patients and the Public programme. A programme which is highly ambitious, innovative and charged with the incredibly important task of transforming the way that we all as citizens of Wales access health and care, and in so doing be able to better meet all of our health and care needs. I come to this programme from a variety of backgrounds, most recently in emergency and urgent care within Anara and Bevan, and previously from working within medicine within Cardiff and Vale. And my role within this programme, alongside others, is really connecting up all of our interests together to ensure that through the NHS Wales app, which is a key part of the programme, we're able to meet everybody's health and care needs in a way which is more efficient, is more sustainable, and is very much matched on patient needs. DSPP is a programme of a number of parts. There's a very important part which is about bringing the NHS Wales app into being. It's the development and the design and the rollout of this app, which acts as a gateway for all of us into a variety of health services which we will build and integrate and evolve over time. The programme is also clearly concerned with actually how we knit together all of those services which currently exist, but also understand the criteria which will allow us to bring new services and applications into being through one single gateway, as I mentioned. We'll work with projects, we'll work with teams across Wales in doing that, across the health and care landscape. What we're also very keen to be able to do within our mandate is to help establish the resources to enable that. And this is the means by which we can encourage service transformation and work with clinical and operational teams across the NHS to be able to work with the technology we're bringing on board. But it's also about how we work with suppliers of the future to be able to attract them to Wales and the products and the innovation which they're able to create, so that we're able to better join up this ecosystem which I'm describing. We're also, on an ambitious basis, trying to grow thought leadership in the digital landscape, so that we can make Wales this centre of excellence in terms of thought innovation and actually how we then connect and join up this landscape. The plans which we're developing are very, very ambitious and they're iterative, so we grow them over time. And so when we get to, for example, the launch of the NHS Wales app, that won't be a single launch as such and then we close down. Actually, that's just the start point for us to continue to grow and grow, bring on new functionality, bring on new applications. But all of that is matched to what people want and what people need. And so this programme, by its very nature, starts from the perspective of people's needs. And they're informing the intelligent development and design of all of our products and all of our applications, so that for people all across Wales, we'll be focused on delivering what they want and making sure we deliver what they want.